Blue Eyes.
Hi guys, this is Mike and this will be a quick sound demo of the ESP LTD EC-401. As you might know, this guitar has two EMG humbuckers built in, but other than that I will not talk about the technical aspects of this guitar or even things like playability and stuff, because actually right now I'm working on a bigger, more detailed shootout of a couple of different ESP LTDs. I have two solar guitars there and two, well, let's say special guests. So if you're interested in such a shootout, please subscribe, hit the notification bell and stay tuned. It's definitely worth it. Okay, so now for this guitar, let's start with a clean sound on the neck pickup. Now both. Now the bridge. Okay, so far so good. Let's add a little bit of gain. Both. Bridge? No, that's the neck. Let's switch to a high gain setting. Guys, that's basically it. Short and sweet as I promised. Subscribe and stay tuned for the big upcoming shootout. Have a good one. Bye.